Good evening, students. So till yesterday we covered, in the last lecture we covered about the RS-232 connector, where I talked about or discussed a 9-pin connection diagram and also 25-pin connection diagram and the characteristic features of RS-232C. Now the other type which is used for the serial interfacing is RS-422. So what were the disadvantages or there were shortcomings in RS-232? It can be covered up in RS-422 and 423. So we can discuss this. Now RS-422, it is designed for greater distance and higher baud rate than RS-232. So this has been designed for larger distances, whereas RS-232 was for shorter distance. It's nearly in 20 meters or 15 meters distance. Then it is possible to go along with the RS-232 cable connector. Now 422 is designed for greater distance and higher baud rate than RS-232. So the features of RS-422 are: RS-422 uses multi-drop interface. What is multi-drop interface? Multi-drop interface is where from one transmitter information can be transferred to the multiple receivers. It can be received by the multiple receivers. So RS-232 has it has single receiver and from the single transmitter to single receiver. Okay, but here it is RS-422 uses multi-drop interface. That means one to many. From one transmitter to many receivers it can be transferred. So RS-422 uses multi-drop interface. So this is the advantage over RS-232, in which multiple receivers can be connected to a single driver. So through a single transmitter or a single driver, multiple receivers can be connected, whereas in RS-232 only one single receiver was connected. So that was a disadvantage which has been overcome by RS-422. Now next is, it communicates up to 1200 meter and has speeds up to 10 Mbps. So it has the higher speed than the RS-232. It has more speed and the distance is also higher, larger. So RS-422 is also covering that shortcoming which was there in the RS-232. So it communicates up to 1200 meter and a speed of up to 10 Mbps. Now next is, RS-422 does not define connector pin diagram. So there is no connector pin configuration of RS-422. Whereas there was, we discussed 9-pin connector and 25-pin connector in RS-232. So in RS-422 there is no pin configuration available. Okay, so there is no pin configuration available. Now next, maximum driver required is 1. Maximum driver required is 1 and receiver is 7. Whereas in RS-232, maximum driver required was 1 and maximum receiver required was 1. That's why it was single drop. Okay, here it is multi-drop because 7 receivers maximum can be connected to a single driver. So from one transmitter it can be connected to many receivers. Okay, so this is again the advantage of using RS-422. Now it uses differential signal for balanced transmission which overcome the noise problem also. It uses differential signal. Okay, whereas in RS-232 cable, because of the common ground, if the distance is larger, in that case due to the noise the signal gets completely lost. So this disadvantage was overcome by the RS-422 cable, RS-422 connector. It uses differential signal for balanced transmission which also overcome the noise problem which was there in RS-232. Now next is driver output voltage. Driver output voltage for RS-422 is -2 to -6 volt for logic high, +2 to +6 volt for logic low. And receiver input voltage is 0.2 to 6 volt for logic low and minus 0.2 to minus 6 volt for logic high. So this is all about RS422. Certain parameters you should remember, and the comparison you should remember, that how many maximum driver and receiver used, distance, communication distance, and the data transfer speed, and it has multi-drop interface, and it uses differential signal for balanced transmission which overcome the noise problem also. Okay, and there is no interfacing issue also, like in RS232 it was not compatible for TTL CMOS input. So for that we need to use a MAX 232 IC as a driver for especially for CMOS and TTL compatible inputs. Okay, so that such problem is not there. So it can be used, and it uses differential signal for balanced transmission which also overcome the noise problem. So this differential signal is also an advantage over the RS232. Okay, so this is all about the RS422, and as there is no pin configuration, so I have not discussed any pin configuration here. Now we'll move to RS423. RS423 is the another serial interfacing standard used. Now let's see what are the advantages of using RS423. So first is it is used for point-to-point communication and multi-drop interface for the maximum distance up to 1200 meter up to 100 kbps. Whereas it was used for 10 Mbps up to 1200 meter distance, it is used for 1200 meter but 100 kbps. Okay. So, and again it is also for the multi-drop interface. It uses single-ended interface for an unbalanced transmission system. It uses single-ended interface for an unbalanced transmission system. So that was single-ended interface was used by the RS232 also. It was also used by the single wire. So this is also uses the single-ended interface for an unbalanced transmission system, whereas RS422 uses the differential signal for balanced transmission which also overcome the noise problem. So the noise problem has not been overcome by this if the distance goes larger. So that is the disadvantage of RS422, 423 and RS232. Okay. So the disadvantages: use of common ground is one weakness of RS422, 423 and 232. If devices are far apart, the ground will degrade and the communication fails, resulting loss of signal. So at times the noise generate in the signal due to the common ground, and if the devices are far apart, so the signal gets weaker and at the time it gets lost. Okay, so this is the disadvantage. Now next is it has one unidirectional sending driver and used up to 10 receiver, whereas RS422 was used up to 7 receiver. Okay, it was used up to 7 receiver, whereas RS423 can be used up to 10 receivers. So this you have to see. These are the certain changes in the features. So as per your requirement in the application, you can put either RS422 to for 232 or 423. So as much as the need in the application, you as the application requirement, you go for the particular serial interfacing standard. Now the voltage level, logic 1 has -4 to -6 volt, logic 0 has +4 to +6 volt, whereas this gives the voltage level, whereas it gives -2 to -6 volt. Okay, here is it -4 to -6 volt. Now disadvantages, use of common ground is one weakness of RS423 and 232. If devices are far apart, the ground will degrade and communication fails, resulting loss of signal. So because it is carried by single-ended wire, so there is a common ground. So common ground at times has the problem for the noise, which at times due to which the signal gets weaker and at the time it gets lost. So that is the problem or the disadvantage of RS-232 and 423. Whereas that is not, that disadvantage has overcome here. It uses the differential signal for balanced transmission, which overcome the noise problem also. So I hope RS-232 connector, RS-422 and RS-423, these all three are quite clear to you, and 422, 423 have no pin configuration. So I have not discussed about that. Okay. So this is all about RS-422 and 423. So I hope this all is understood by you. In the next class, I will discuss another serial interfacing standard. Okay. Thank you.